All right, what we got here is a Molten Masters Propane Forge. A lot of words going on there. Let's check it out. We got some gloves. Well, I guess we can't return it now. This thing's got some weight to it. There's a manual here. Yeah. All right, and inside we got a hose for getting the propane in here. We got some kind of fit and doohickey and some Teflon tape. Looks like we got some fire bricks to insulate the inside of this thing. And we got this metal thingamajigger. Well, I guess I got to figure out how to put this thing together now. All right, so the inside of this thing's like this K-wool, I think they call it. It's not flammable. It deals with the heat, and the burner actually goes in the top. So we got to assemble that real quick. Okay, so you basically take a piece of paper, light it on fire, put it in here, and then turn on the propane, and that's how we get this thing cooking. What's cool is you can open the back of this thing, so if you're sticking a really long piece through, it can go all the way through the back. Okay, this thing puts out some serious heat. Enough heat that it actually shut my camera down because my camera got so hot. So this thing, for a one burner propane forge, pumps out tons of heat. You could definitely get that iron rebar cherry red. So cool little addition to the shop. This is not a pro tool. This is a hobbyist tool, but if you're into, you know, heat treating knives you've made, stuff like that, little projects like I'm going to be doing with some rebar, it's a great tool for that. Easy setup, and man, this thing stinking cooks.